How do I restore bat files association with the system, make them run when double-clicked? What do I set the opens with? Property to in order to get the system to run bat files again when they are double-clicked? Somehow my boss convinced his workstation that the handler for .bat files was supposed to be Word. Now when double-clicking .bat files, they're opened up in Word.
I think you'll have to remove the bat file association from the registry using the regedit program. According to this forum thread on Locarno, you need to remove registry settings underneath this key. You'll probably want to back up registry before doing this, just to be safe.
This registry key file will do it. Copy and paste to a text file called restore.reg, and double-click it to merge into the registry. It will clear out any peruser setting you may have accidentally created for bat files, and restore the system defaults, including the .bat and LT and GT bat file type relationship, as well as the actual parameters for launching a bat file.
None of the answers above fixed it for the machine I was working with, but what fixed it was starting an admin shell and running.
I had the same problem. In Windows 7, batch files were opening in Notepad instead of being executed. Correcting the below registry for bat files, as per any other machine where it works, will make the batch execute correctly. Keep these entries but remove all others under .bat. Refresh and run a batch file by double-clicking, it will run correctly.
Ito ang pasok para sa hangin, pero sa kansinan sa training.